Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Gmail and Telegram. First, enable a map in Gmail so external apps can access mail. This is required. Once done, check if your account uses two-step verification. If so, generate an app password and copy the 16-character key. Meanwhile, open Telegram and pick the chat or bot that will receive emails. Make sure you have bot permissions or channel admin rights because Telegram needs permission to post messages. This gets you ready to connect the two services securely. Now build the connection. If you use a service, provide the app password and bot token. If you build your own, create a bot with bot father and get the token. Next, configure Gmail forwarding or use filters. Add a filter that matches labels, senders, or subject keywords, then forward matching mail to the bot's address or the service endpoint. Make sure the bot parses incoming email headers and body. This ensures meaningful Telegram messages instead of raw MIME. Test with one message to confirm formatting and delivery. Finish by verifying the whole flow. Send multiple sample emails with attachments, labels, and different senders. Confirm Telegram shows the content and attachments correctly. Once confirmed, refine filters and message templates so you don't flood chats. Add rate limits or batching if needed. If delivery fails, check a map state, confirm app password validity, verify Gmail forwarding was confirmed, and ensure the bot token has not been reset. If formatting breaks, inspect how the bot parses MIME, fix parsing rules and retry until stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.